Okay, this is basically my current level right now. It's still work in progress, still a lot of things for me to do. Well, I can't really say there's a lot of things, there are a few minor things really, but it's just basically what the top view looks like in isometric. If I can get a perspective view, it's basically what it was, and then I'll just show you some of the things I've got in there now. Alright, basically this is the character walking around. Just need to take out my headphones. Yeah, I currently have assigned a walk sound. I'm not sure if it's actually coming through or not, but hopefully it is. And everything's slowing down a bit. So anyway, yeah. One of the first things that was told to me in the feedback session was that people can go in the water, so I just made a boundary box in there because people could go in there, they'd drown and they couldn't get back out. And I've made a mountain boundary, so it looks like the place is surrounded by mountains, so at least you can see there's some sort of ending to the place, and there's obviously a logical reason why you can't go past a certain part on this actual level. Either way, I've got the mountains there. They've got textures on them at the moment, which I'm going to redo. I'm pretty much still going to redo all my textures. I changed the light map, so it's a slightly different color. I've got my rock here. That'll probably change. That's still there for my house. I've got the model finished, and I'll put that in later. So yeah, those are mostly the minor changes I've got there. Obviously I'm going to rechange the trees because, as you see, they really dark the bark and it does not look very good. That plus I can't get them at the right size, so I'll do what I can. So I'm just going to continue on and show you one of the other new features I've got in the level right now, which is this folding tree, which you can see there. This is just a placeholder for it right now, so I'm just going to move here into the collision intersection area and it will fall down. Of course, this isn't positioned in the place where I would normally have it, nor is this the actual model, but you can see that it's there. Just gonna jump over it. The other thing I've got on here is the item selection. This is selection 2, which doesn't actually have anything at the moment, and this is object 1, which is basically supposed to be the dynamite which players could use to blow up objects. So let's go back a bit. Basically around here, no, not around here, that's too far. I'm guessing around here I'll probably put some sort of roadblock. I'll either put a bunch of trees or just a really big rock here to block players' progress, because otherwise it's kind of a straight run straight towards the end if you just go this way and then go left. So there's not really much exploration that players will do if I do it otherwise. But yeah, pretty much it. The only other thing about which kit I found out about in the testing was that I needed to have some sort of story in place so that players know exactly what's going on, because I didn't actually have my story, so I'm going to try to put a text box or something inside of it just to let people know that this is their starting point, and this here where my mouse cursor is going to be the finish point where they need to go. So I'll probably try and do that with a text box or something. Anyway, hopefully I should be able to import my models for this next week, or on Monday hopefully. If all goes well, everything should be fine. Well, I've got a bit of difficulty texturing things in 2011 for 3ds Max, but I'll do what I can. So that's the end of the video.